Naalala ko noon, nung una tayong kita, hindi ko talaga malilimutan. Nakakailang na pagbati ko sa iyo, balik mo'y matamis ng ngiti. Pag nakikita kong matang nagniningning, di ko alam bakit lumuluha. Di ko man nasabi. Alam mo ba, salamat dahil ikaw yun. Sobrang salamat dahil tayo to lahat ng masasaya mga panahon. Kaya hanggang sa mahal kita.
Sa totoo lang, nung una kita nakita, ligaya niya sa harap lang tuwing tayo'y magkasama.
Pag-ibig na sa gabi, itong paghihirap, maging ligaya para sakit sa tuwi-tuwi.
Hindi ako natatakot, naniniwala ko pag hawak ko ang iyong kamay.
Ang isang maganda, walang kapalitan sa nararamdaman ko ang pagmamahal. Kita ko ang iyong mga ngiti, di ko alam bakit lumuluha. Di man nasabi. Alam mo ba, salamat dahil ikaw yun. Sobrang salamat dahil tayo to lahat ng nasasayang mga panahon. Kaya hanggang sa mahal kita. Lakas loob ka nang sasabihin ang nais na iparating.
Once again, thank you so much for having Horizon, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you for the embassy, for Wishbus, for having us. It's such an honor to celebrate this special day with you guys. At huwag niyong kakalimutan, mabuhay Pilipinas! Happy Independence Day! Mahal ko kayo!
Alam mo ba, salamat dahil ikaw yun. Sobrang salamat dahil tayo to lahat. Sa salamat ng panahon, mga panahon. Kaya hanggang sa huli, mahal kita. Mahal kita. Mahal kita. Ito'y di magbabago. Mahal kita.
Mahal ko kayo.
Mahal kita.
Love you guys. Thank you so much.
you,
Salamat po. Kami po ulit ang
Horizon!
Thank you guys.
Hip,
Thank you,
hip.
guys.
Okay, guys.
Horizon!
Horizon! Horizon!
Marami pang padating na malalaking artists, so please abangan nyo and be excited. Thank you guys.
No, we're not leaving. 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 We're not leaving.
There's a princess.
Horizon!
Hello, hello.
Alright.
We're not leaving.
Sorry.
I thought we were leaving.
Medyo Okay. Hi, Horizon.
Hello.
Hi, Princess Leia. How was your experience so far here on the Wish Bus South Korea unveiling?
It is so special to be
Unreal.
to be able to perform here sa Wish Bus, lalo na dito sa Korea because
Yes.
we're very used to the Wish Bus in the
In the
Philippines,
Philippines.
right?
When
And
was the
now,
last time you were in the Philippines?
it was this April.
This April lang.
This April, yes.
What do you miss most about the Philippines?
Adobo! Siyempre.
Ano ulit?
Adobo, sinigang.
Ako,
Diba?
namimiss ko yung champorado.
Champorado. Do you eat your champorado with
Tuyo.
Tuyo.
Yeah.
Do you
I like to put condensed milk.
condensed milk? Same sis. Kasi kaya gusto natin yung matamis.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Paris.
I think you have new fans over here.
Wow!
Wanna say hi?
Hello.
I love you guys!
Anchors na ba kayo? Anchors na?
Anchors na daw ba kayo?
Yes.
Yan. Again, where can they follow you on social media?
Always, guys, check our social medias, Horizon Official with a 7 in all social media platforms. We always post there occasionally para na-update namin ang mga beloved anchors namin lahat. So, kita-kits tayo dun.
Actually, because you're on Wish 107.5, one of our things here is we talk about your wishes. So let's go down the line. What's your wish?
Wish ko is mas marami pa sanang anchors. Yeah,
Mukhang
sana.
maraming ang anchors after
Sana,
today.
yes.
Kaway daw kayo dun,
Hi
no?
guys! Malami kayo.
Alright.
And sa akin naman po, yung wish ko po ay makauwi sila ng tawag nito ng safety. Safe po. Kasi kita naman natin yung panahon, medyo maulan. And
Pero kanina nga, I think you were the cause for the sun shining again.
Wow!
Thank you so lovey-dovey.
That's awesome.
I like your song, lovey-dovey.
Okay.
Alright.
Sa akin naman ay maging masaya tayong lahat ngayong araw.
Are we happy? Are we
All
having
day.
fun? Busan, make some noise! Alright!
Of course, World Tour. Let's go!
Wow! World Tour! First stop ba ang Pilipinas?
Yes,
So, World
yeah,
Tour.
It's gotta be, right?
Alright.
For me, gusto ko lang po maging successful ang Horizon and sana masaya kami lagi and pati ang mga anchors.
That's
Yeah,
so
everyone.
sweet. Alright.
Yes, of course, my wish is for many more milestones to reach and many more awards to achieve for Horizon in the future.
Of course.
And of course, ako naman, sana marami pang mga ganitong Filipino communities na
Yes!
nagtitipon-tipon tayo dito sa Korea kasi dito kami naninirahan ngayon sa South Korea. And syempre, hindi lagi na makakita kami. Ganito kadaming mga Pinoy, mga kababayan. So, ang saya-saya na makita. Thank you to the embassy for doing that. And yeah, I hope in the future marami pang ganitong events na mangyari dito sa Korea. Thank you,
Alright,
guys.
thank you so much, anchors! Give it up for Horizon!
Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta po.
Ingat kayong
Lahat.
lahat.
Alright, and
Mahal
now
ko
we
kayo.
are moving on to the next part of our show. We are going back to the Wish Bus with some special performances for you.